Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you a product that we use every day and is very important. And I'm referring to my Vanity light set right here installed in my bathroom. So a couple of features that I like about it. First of all, let me turn them on for you so you can appreciate it. Is the beautiful light that it emits. As you can see, the glass itself has this really nice brush texture to it that just kind of gives it that little classy look to it. And it complements the nickel finish on the base. I really, really like that. The second thing that I really appreciate is, let me go ahead and turn off the other lights in the bathroom so you can see how soft the light actually is. And that's important because when you come in sometimes, you don't want a strong light in your face when you're trying to see yourself in the mirror. Sometimes a soft light is very welcoming, and that's what you get with this. So overall, I love this Vanity light set, and that's my point of view.